me, I'm a front-end developer with Icon technology. Now, I believe that the front-end is where the user experience begins. And at Lead Digital Academy, I refine my craft as a front-end developer. The front-end development program here is all about creativity and functionality. This is where I learn to transform designs into engaging, user-friendly web experiences. Collaboration is also the name of the game, and Lead Digital Academy fosters it. Working alongside diverse teams, I learned the importance of harmonizing design and functionality. Now, thanks to Lead Digital Academy, I'm now a very good front-end developer, bringing designs to life on the web. And it has been a very thrilling journey of creativity and code. Now, if you have an eye for design and you have the love of coding, Lead Digital Academy is a place to be. Then you should join us so that we can build stunning web experiences together. Describing my experience at the Lead Digital Academy in one word would be innovation. Because at Lead Digital Academy, I learned how to be able to use modern web technologies in building, such as AI and other tools.